when I'm out turkey hunting, I like to be mobile. I like to be able to get around on my ATV, and I'm not always just turkey hunting. I'm changing stands, I'm scouting, I'm doing a lot of other things, but I also need a lot of gear with me on my ATV. Now what I've done for that, I've got Moose Utility Division, all sorts of great bags, and even a case for my gun. Now the reason I like to have a gun case is, well, first of all, in some states, legally you cannot have an uncased gun on an ATV. So I like to put my turkey gun right in there, plus I have a scope on it. I don't want it getting knocked around. I sure don't want it to fall off. So this is a great way to stay safe and to be legal. Now the next thing I need a place for my decoys and my backpack. With this, I've got this huge space that you can really convert to whatever you may need. Now in here, it might look small, but I actually have basically everything I could possibly need. I've got my backpack in here, I've got my turkey decoys, I've got cameras, all sorts of great accessories to keep you mobile and to keep everything you need so you're not going back and forth. Plus it's a good place to put a turkey when you get one. So overall, I think having all your gear organized is key, plus having it right with you on your ATV. It's a great way to head out to the field and get a lot done.